In the last issue, we were talking about the shared service lives of the consumables and that consumables need to be changed frequently. Today, we are going to show you how to change the consumables. Let's take ArcBro Spark 6060 as an example. First, prepare the cutting torch and consumables. From left to right is squirrel ring, electrode, nozzle, retaining cap, shaft cap. So keep your hands clean and let's start. Step 1. Find the squirrel ring and insert it. Step 2. Put the electrode into the squirrel ring. Step 3. Place the nozzle on the electrode. Step 4. Install the retaining cap. Step 5. Install the shaft cap and screw it tight. Now you finish the installation of plasma cutting consumables. That's all. Thanks for watching us. See you next time.